I am thrilled to be celebrating this day with a very dear friend of mine and of the show. We're talking about the host of TV show California Bountiful. This is Tracy Sellers. Give me a hug.
Big hug. Oh my goodness.
You know what? And you have been such a peach. We adore you, and thank you so much for
helping.
Yes, right? Such a peach, because that's exactly what we're going to be talking about here. Whether you are planning on eating breakfast, lunch, or dinner combo, or both, California Bountiful highlights the places, people, and lifestyles that have made California the nation's largest food-producing state. And Tracy, today we are talking about peaches. But let's talk, though, first about your show, for those who are unfamiliar. Tell them, what is your show all about?
Well, it's all about food, which I always like to say. You like food, I like to eat, I like to cook. And so we take you out to the farms, the ranches. We introduce you to the farmers and the ranchers, the winemakers, the restaurateurs, the artisans that produce all the food that we love to eat. It's nutritious, it's healthy, it's affordable. It's amazing. So we take you out to these places, and all you have to do is sit in your home and enjoy. It's a good
and
half
be
hour.
Inspired, right?
Yeah.
And I always say this, it's a celebration of the cornucopia that truly is California, right?
It's really amazing.
And where can people see this?
Right here on ABC 10.
Wow! How about
Saturdays at 4:30 p.m.
Okay, and today I said you're a peach because we're talking about
Peaches. I just figured it's the first day of summer.
Yes.
Peaches are a quintessential summer fruit, and this reminds me, I used to eat this all the time. My mom used to make this crisp, this peach and raspberry crisp. And so I made that for us all. And this is what this is, a little here. But
okay.
So peaches, the key to them is picking out a nice ripe one. And I think the key to it really is the smell.
Oh, really?
You wouldn't think of it, but you want it to smell like a peach, obviously, because if it doesn't smell like a peach, it's not going to taste like a peach. It's going to be bland and boring.
That's a good point.
So just think of that. So
you want it to be super fragrant.
Yeah, and
so when you're picking it,
feel nothing with bruises or anything like that.
All right.
And you can tell this is green, so that is not ripe.
Okay.
It's going to take a while to ripen that one.
And if you do happen to have a peach that's not fully ripe, do you just let it sit? Will it ripen on its own? What do I do, Tracy?
What do I do? Great question. And I always go, you're not going to know the answer. The apple and the paper bag trick.
Okay.
That you put in a paper bag with an apple, and the ethylene gases will ripen the peach a little quicker.
All right, so that's always a great go-to when you have something that's still just a little green. It's not just there enough.
It happens.
And this is a family recipe that you brought here today.
Yes. So it's raspberry and peaches, and the crisp is just super easy with little oats, cinnamon, sugar, brown sugar, flour, and a little bit of vanilla. And then just you put it over. You could just. My mom used to do this individual peaches for us, but peaches and raspberries, put it over a little vanilla ice cream, boom, there's your dessert.
Done and done. You're all good for that fantastic summer barbecue that everyone's going to be having coming up this weekend.
Yes.
Okay, so recipes, the shows, all this is available online and on social as well. But first of all, I want to tell everybody that you have a very special episode that's coming up, though, really quick. Tell us what's going to be in that episode.
Oh, we have a ton of stuff coming up it's located locally. This is a Winters restaurant at the Burger Saloon.
Oh, really?
Like one guess on what they serve. A lot of burgers, really good. Ginger Elizabeth right here in town too. Some great artisan confections that she makes. She goes out and visits local farmers. How cool is that? And then she goes and makes them in her little West Sacramento plant there.
I love me some Ginger Elizabeth.
And Martinelli's apple juice we have coming up.
What? I had no idea. That's here?
Yes, in Watsonville.
No way.
Watsonville.
But it's in California. I had no idea.
150 years it's been around.
Holy cow.
They're produced in the same location. How cool is that?
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So once again, the celebration of Farm to Fork of the Cornucopia. Make sure you check it out. Where can people go for more information?
CaliforniaBountiful.com.
Tracy, thank you so much.
Don't make me cry. This lady is wonderful. Thank you so much for everything you've done for California Bountiful and for this community. You are going to be greatly missed, but our loss is Idaho's gain.
Oh, thank you so much.
Don't cry.
Okay.
No crying.
I got to save the waterworks for later.
Yes.
This interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.